Hi, I'm Florida Foreclosure Defense Lawyer Michael Wasylik. I'm here in Orange County at the historic Orange County Courthouse. No longer a functioning courthouse, but the original courthouse here in Orlando. And I had a trial end early today, so I have a few extra minutes to talk to you today about what it means at trial to have a complaint that is defective, fails to state cause of action. Now, one of the basic elements of civil procedure is that when filing a complaint based on a written agreement, the complaint has to actually attach that written agreement in order to state a cause of action, in order to sufficiently allege a claim against the defendants. And failure to attach that document renders it fairly defective, an issue that can be brought up even at trial. That's the issue we had this morning. They failed to attach the note that they were suing on. And a failure to attach the note is a failure to incorporate essential terms of the complaint. Now, the reason that's important is because the terms of the note are part of the essential facts that outline the dispute between the parties. We don't know what's going to trial unless we know what the terms of the note are. It has to be part of the initial pleadings. And also, too, because the note may give rise to certain defenses that the defendant then is required to plead. Things like the contract has a condition that has to be met before filing suit, or this is the wrong contract. So, again, another example is if the note is attached and it says that one bank is the plaintiff, but the other bank is the one named in the contract, well, that complaint is defective, and you can raise that defense if that's the wrong party. So, it's important that every complaint attaches the documents sued upon in order to sustain a cause of action at trial. Now, at trial is the key phrase here, because even on the day of trial, the defense has the right to raise defects in the complaint, and if raised, the court should not allow the trial to go forward. It should dismiss the action, and because it's the day of trial, is usually going to refuse to allow the plaintiff to amend. So it's important that your defense take into account if there's a defect in the complaint, knowing that you can raise that even on the day of trial and win, just like I did today. If you have a foreclosure complaint and it either doesn't attach a note or it attaches a note that has different terms than you expect, or if it says that someone other than the original plaintiff has the right to enforce the note, give us a call. Let us know, especially if you're about to go to trial. You can reach us at 352-567-3173. That's 352-567-3173. I'm Florida Foreclosure Defense Lawyer Michael Wasylik. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.